This is a wig of 200 gram, 8 inches and 12 inches. If you want to see how I create this beautiful wig without the closure, sit back and let's
waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down.
Today I'm going to be fixing, giving a tutorial on how to fix a side or center part wig without a closure. A lot of people have requested that because sometimes when you want to make hair, closure is more expensive than the hair. So we are going to be using 200 gram hair. This is a 12 inches and this is a 8 inches. So my customer that have this order, she's the type she don't like too bulky hair. So this is the hair. This is a bone straight original hair. This is M&S Glam hair. So we need a thread, a needle. The needle is already been thread. I thread 4 to make it 4. You need a dumb cap. You need a T-pin. You need a T-pin, and this is the M&S elastic band. So in this elastic band for the hair without a closure, I need a 42 centimeter. This is the reason you need a tape. So when you don't have a tape, you don't bother about that. You can as well use measure from your ear to your ear. 42 centimeter is what I'm going to be cutting from the band, and that is 17 inches. That band I will be needing. So like you all know, this is the M&S Beauty Concept wig kit. So this is the already cut 42 centimeter band. In every wig, I advise every customer to have this band. This band, the purpose of this band, you can put your comb under it to make the wig to be good, stabilized on the hair, and it protects your front hair too, especially when you are using the 13x4 closure. You need that. This is a hose net. This hose net is to protect your weaving before you wear the wig. And this is our wig cap. For this customer, I'm going to be using L. A customized wig, the advantage of a customized wig is that we customize wig to suit each personality. That is the among the good thing about customized wig. And not forgetting a wig comb. For this wig, I'm going to be using 3 pieces. So what I will do now, I take my tape. You know, a normal closure is 4x4, so I'm going to be doing these 6. So the part we are going to be working on, the part we are going to be working on is not when in the center part. I work with this line, but she wants between side and center part, which is the customer said her face suited when the parting is on the right side. When it's on the left parting, I'm going to work there. So now I'll take my chalk. I'm going to measure 6 because I would like it to be very deep. Or let's take 5 inch. Let's take 5 inch because when the parting is long, you can see the fit, and it fits really well. So that when I'm sewing, I will know how and when to know. Yeah, so don't really mind it that I'm using chalk. Any wig I'm making, I wash and treat and work on them before I deliver to my customer. So this is the part we are going to be ending the work. So if you like it, you can come to the ear side of the nail, the down side, then you roll as well. The purpose of this chalk work is to really make you to know the direction of the work where you are working with. But sometimes when you are already perfect in it, I'm using chalk to make sure because now is a tutorial. When you are used to doing it all the time, the time will come you don't need to use chalk anymore. So me, I always hate it when I made mistake. So to avoid that, you just prepare yourself first. So our sketching is done now. So take a look how I take my ruling. So guys, we are starting with the 8 inches. I'll start with the short one. We're starting with the 8 inches. If you can remember, we are using 8 and 12 inches. There's going to be a bob style. So we'll start in here. What I do when I'm starting, I take the needle, not on the sewing. I try to attach my needle to the wig, to the weft first. So after doing that, so you need a T-pin. So I'm just using it to hold the head so that you don't have to drag the weight. So take a very good look. I'm going to start sewing here between the edge of the net and between so like you remember, I've already attached the hair. So I always do a sew and tie method. It's very good if you are the type that are always sew just to sew like that. Try this sew and tie method. Your customer will love it. When you are customizing for yourself, you will love it too, because wigs is, I wash wigs, my wigs once in or twice in a week, depends on how often I wear them. When you are the type that don't sew well, when somebody wash the wig, you see, so the beginning is very important. You can go back when you are not satisfied with the tagging. You can go back and tag very well. So guys, you see I've sewn some lines. I make like 6 really close together. The purpose of that, because this time I want the volume to be more down. So now I'm still sewing. T-pin is very important when you want to sew on a straight line. But I will give also another tutorial that will just do the measuring and the ruling, so that we can just be following the chalk line from beginning to end. That will be coming soon in this channel. So guys, if you are here and you've still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and put on the notification bell. I think it's fixed like this. You know, when I was fixing it, the style is between. It's not a side part, it's not a middle part, it's a between part. It's the style that really suits my customer, that she really feel good wearing. Do you love the hair? I'm in love with it. This wig was 200 gram, 100 gram, 8 inches, and 100 gram, 12 inches. It's so portable. It's so glamorous. I'm going to give another tutorial on how to trim hair. So guys, I hope you like the wig. I love it. I love the wig. If you want to see more tutorial, or you have any wig you want to learn, put it on the comment section or send me an email. I will give the tutorial. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for showing love to this channel. If you are new here and you have not seen subscribe, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell. See you again on Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central European Time.